Object detection is a key technology in computer vision that allows machines to identify and locate objects in real time. In this video, we will demonstrate object detection on the RDK X5 Edge AI platform using optimized deep learning models. You will see how the RDK X5 processes live camera input and perform fast on-device inference using its AI accelerator. So let's get started. Now you can see I have opened the official D-Robotics website. Here you can see different models such as FCOS, YOLO and MobileNet. We will run these models on the RDK X5 one by one and observe their object detection performance. Here we are using the FCOS model, which is ready-made object detection model. So there is no need to write any extra code. Click on the Humble. First copy this command and open the terminal and paste it. Next, go back to the website, copy the second command and paste it into the terminal as well. As you can see, object detection has now started and detection data is visible in the terminal. To view the live video stream, we will open a web browser and enter the IP address. Once the web page opens, click on Web Display and the live stream starts instantly. Right away you can see the model detecting the TV. As I step in front of the camera, it quickly recognizes me as a person. Now I bring a remote control into a view. And yes, it's detected. Next, I place a glass in front of the camera. As it looks like a vase, so it is detecting by the model as a vase. To test it further, I show a bird image on my mobile phone and the model successfully identifies the bird on the screen. Here is a bicycle image and it detects that as well. Now I show a car image and it is recognized immediately. Finally, I display a dark image and the model detects it correctly. So this is how the FCOS model performs on the RDK X5 in real time. Now I am closing the FCOS model and switching to YOLO. First I click on YOLO. Copy the command, open the terminal and paste it. Next I copy the remaining command and paste them as well. And the detection starts immediately. To see the result, I open the web page. As I move in front of the camera, it detects me instantly. Now I place a glass in view and it correctly detects it as a wine glass. Next I show a remote control. It's detected right away. I then display a dog image and YOLO detected perfectly. Here is a cat image. It is recognized immediately. Now I show a car image which is detected accurately. Next, I place a chair in front of the camera. It is detected correctly. Finally, I show a toothbrush and it is detected as well. As you can see, the YOLO model on the RDK X5 detect all objects quickly and accurately, from people and everyday items to image on the screen. Compared to FCOS, YOLO is much faster and more precise, making it ideal for real-time object detection. Next, I am running the MobileNet model in a similar way. This is a lightweight model, so it is not detecting everything, mostly people, cars, and a few common objects. As I move in front of the camera, it detects me correctly. I show a car and it detected as well. However, many other objects are not recognized by this model, which is expected because it is designed to be lightweight and fast. In my opinion, for more accurate and comprehensive detection, YOLO and FCOS are the best choices on the RDK X5. And that's it for today's tutorial. We explored object detection on the RDK X5 using FCOS, YOLO and MobileNet models. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more robotics and AI tutorials. See you in the next one.